Kita naman yung mga ducks. Nag-aantay na sa akin, guys. Look at those ducks. That's my friends. Waiting na sila. Hi, guys. Hi. Why? Wait lang. Ito yung food, guys, ng aking mga friends. Oh. So, here's the food of my friends. So, dalawang sake yan. And, let's see. Tignan nyo. Hi. They're waiting for me. Go there, go there. Come on. Here. Dami nila. Tignan mo yung paa ko. How close is it? See? Yung mga mababait yun sila. Kasi mamadak hindi natatakot sa akin. I feed them. Hey, Papa Duck, come here. Don't fight. So that's my daily life, guys. Here. Gonna go, guys. Yan yung aking mga duckies. So everyday, na-visit yan sila dito sa akin ng morning and then night before maggabi.